Hiya! How you doing? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like opening the latest Sophie and Toffee box. Yay! Okay, so doing my best to be enthusiastic. I absolutely love the Elves box. Looking forward to opening this, but feeling absolutely dreadful. So if I don't sound as enthusiastic as I normally do, nothing to do with the box, totally to do with me just feeling dreadful today. But here we go. Hopefully this will spark a bit of enthusiasm in me. I think if I've got this one right, I've been looking forward to this one. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, it's well wrapped up, look. Yes, and I think I've got it right. Yay! Lucky fortune shaker. We'll have a look at this in a minute. Okay, let's see what we've got inside. We've got some cotton. Awesome. We've got, let's have a look at that because the stickers all over it, so can't see what it is. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Well, it looks like tiny beads. It's glitter, but it looks like it's got beads in it as well. I don't know. We'll have to have a look at the description for that one. But it looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Okay. Let's see what the description says to that one. Why am I putting it back in the pack? I have no idea. Never mind. Right. We've got... ooh, we've got some pretty foils. Those look more like Christmassy ones, but maybe they're just winter ones. There's all sorts in there. Have a look at them in a bit. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, bells. Oh, they jingle too. Oh, cool. Okay, we've got 1-to-1 resin. So it's 100 grams there in total. That's cool. Let's have a look at these. Oh, some more Miranda pigment. I love these. They are so cute. So cute. Pink and yellow. What else have we? Oh, wow. Oh, look at these glitters. Got some quite chunky ones and some finer ones. They are awesome. Oh, I like these. These are kind of mermaidy, aren't they? Awesome. And we've got some beads. They're really pretty ones. I'm going to do the molds last. Decided this week. Alright, now we've got some foils. I'm sure on the back of these, I like the fact that they're black on the one side now, so you know which way to put them up, because the other side is all shimmery. So yeah, we've got numbers, bingo, and then we've got some symbols, and then we've got some Chinese writing, I believe. And then we've got some wheels with some different bits and pieces on, saying different things. So yeah, all looks good. All looks good. Okay, let's have a look at these. Oh, this is the one with the where you pull up or you drop down, different little sayings on them. Cool. That's to go with the cat, I believe. Where's the cat? There's the cat. That's to go with this one. Oh, holding it upside down, that would help, wouldn't it? There we go. Sorry, did you get a good look at that? I didn't check. I was looking at it. There you go. And then this one. I'm looking forward to doing this one. I think I'll probably do this one in my next video. And then might just do this one on its own and then show you a picture at the end. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, that one looks a little bit more intricate. That one looks like it's going to be slightly easier, so might do that one for the video. And I believe, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, hang on, I know what I didn't do. Oh, and I've just dropped my pigments. Great, I have to find that in a minute. We didn't have a look through the actual booklet, did we? Let's have a look through the booklet. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is telling you everything what's in the box. And it looks like I have everything. That looks so cute. Yeah. So it looks like you get a choice of, you know, random colour. Exclusive design molds. Okay. Right, here's your instructions. Yeah, like I say, that one looks slightly easier than this one. Oh, it shows you. Sorry, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm doing it down here, so you're not getting a good view. Sorry. Here we go. And these ones say best luck to little luck. Okay. Normal, bad luck to worse. Oh, okay. Cool. And then that's who won the October box at Kubalicious. Oh, well done, Kubalicious. Yeah, I watch you all the time. You're amazing. Yeah. And there we go. Awesome. So, yeah, looking forward to making that one. And well, we'll have a go. Okay, not doing a project within an opening when I'm doing an opening, as you know, because I'm trying to space my videos out because my health's not great at the minute, but I will get there. I will get there for sure. I will get there. Things will get better. Gotta keep thinking that life will get better. And I can't complain too much considering what other people are dealing with in the world right now. So, you know, I've got a pretty good life really, when all's said and done. So, yeah. Trying not to complain too much. But there we go. That's what's in this box. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Just going to set up for a picture now. And if you like it, like and subscribe. If you don't, tell me how I can improve, but you know, be kind. I'm not a professional. I'm just doing this because I'm enjoying doing it. I'm sharing it with you. You know, there are people out there that can't do anything at the moment. I'm lucky I can do some stuff. So if I can share with you and brighten up your day, I'm happy to do so. And that's all from me. I'll put my usual outro out. on, but yeah, that's all from me today. Thanks for watching.
And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.